The Localize glossary is a simple feature allowing you and your translator to have a reference point for proper terminology. By providing translators with a glossary, there is no confusion on how key terminology is to be translated in context to you and your business. To create a new glossary term, click Add Glossary Term. I'm going to enter the term drive and hit save. Since drive can describe both the operation of a motor vehicle or a cloud storage solution, we can add context to show the translator how we use the term. To add context, click the drop-down arrow and select Add Context. From here, you can add the context to the term drive. Once we add the glossary term, we can now provide the translation for that term. Then hit Publish. When a translator is ready to translate a phrase that contains a glossary term, the glossary term will appear with the translation. To show this, I'm going over to the Phrases tab to translate a phrase that contains the glossary term drive. When I try to add a translation for this phrase, the glossary term for drive appears, so your translators know how to translate that phrase. By helping to eliminate uncertainty in the translation process, the glossary will enforce consistency, shorten the time it takes to translate a document, and reduce the overall cost of translation.